Well, good morning, Omniacs from across the globe. I know good afternoon and good evening, but it's morning. Hey, I wanted to remind you, we are doing something today called the Ticker Talk. It is a live back and forth with Metastock. I will be there at 12 noon. Right here is your RSVP link. Click that link, RSVP, and set yourself up so you can hang out with me. Today, it's happening in an hour and a half at 12 noon. Click the RSVP link and join me for my ticker talk at 12 noon. The other thing I want to show you is OmniX. We have a bunch of new OmniX coming into the Omni token today. They called me and said, Oscar, we love your token. We're probably going to come in today. I've got a few of them coming in. I implore you, when they come in, show them, welcome them, buy more with them. Just buy a little. When they come in and buy, show them that we're part of this community and we're serious. I implore you not to get out when new guys get in. That won't get us to $10 million valuation, right? When new traders get in, show them that you like with their action by buying a few more. I'll do the same. That should happen today, tomorrow, the next few days. I have OmniX around the world telling me they want to get into this token, and it's a great time because it's holding the average once again as it's done for the entire life of the Omni. It has held this average and it's holding it again. Great time for this to happen. OmniX, I implore you, when our new OmniX come in, don't sell out. Buy with them. We're going to take this much, much higher. I am hiring influencers all the time. I've got an interview right after the TED Talks with one that we've been going back and forth for the last 5 days. And it's a really big influencer, which will help the coin. So it should happen in the next couple of days. If buyers come in, buy with them. Don't bail out. This isn't the time. I'll let us know when it's time to start taking profits. Traders, make sure that you sign up. Click the RSVP link now and sign up. And I will see you all at around 12 this afternoon. Thank you for everything you do, and remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. I'll see you all at 12 noon. I hope this is fun. I've never done one before, but I'll